What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar. So what does I introduce cookbook, essential baking cookbook. So the whole idea is that one we're gonna do all recipe in this cookbook. We have 200 and plus recipe. So we want to complete that for the year. So you can look out for the playlist called Baking 101 with the Soulfly fam. So basically it'll be like we are doing it with cousins, some kids. So it's like we are gonna do the recipe, then them are gonna do local challenge. Who win, the advantage is that them are gonna pick any recipe out of this book randomly, any recipe, and we'll have to do it. So you can look out for it. It'll get excited. So yeah, man. Really. Yeah, before we start, we have to know the meaning of baking. So, we are using the meaning out of this book. So, basically, what the book has said now is that there are two things you need to know about baking. One, it's a miracle that a pile of flour, yes, some shortening and a good blast of heat can form the base for such. Yeah, so we are going behind the history of baking. When looking at the history of baking, we have start with bread, which certainly the base for other types of baking, such as cake and biscuit. And what we are going to do now, we are going each recipe we do, we are going to read about. Cause we have the pastry, we have the biscuit, we have the bread, we have the cakes. So we are going to make you know what can cause the cake to drop, the fault and things. So you can stick through. We're gonna tell you everything, the terms of everything used in baking. So you guys can look out for this video. As we say, another day, another dollar. So remember, baking 101 with the Soulfly fam. See the book there? The book we are work with. And as what I said about the advantages is that who win get to pick, and when the person pick win, we're just gonna use a pencil, we're gonna stick out that recipe. So remember, we're gonna do like 200 plus recipe. So you can look out for that. So it's like a baking class or somewhat. So remember, like, share, comment, subscribe.